Hey, what's up?
Hola.
My name's Clayton J.
I'm Raul.
And today we're making another vlog. Today is Sunday. I think the 5th. I don't know for sure. Oh, well. Oh, you embarrassed? Hey, where are you going?
My underwear.
Where are you going? Get back here. So today, we don't know exactly what we're doing. We're gonna go to the movies, right?
Yeah.
Maybe, if he gets done with homework. Oh, your earring's about to fall off. We saw 2 movies already. We saw Planes and like Ant-Man versus Wasp Man. Which one did you like out of those 2? I liked Planes more.
Ant-Man.
Really? I fell asleep during the Ant-Man one. It was kind of boring. But which one are you planning on going to today?
Magic Mike.
Magic Mike. So we're probably gonna go to Magic Mike today. We'll see. I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna get stuff to make
Tres leche.
tres leches, which is just some kind of cake thing with strawberries. So I'm gonna make that today, and then we're gonna go get Stella and hang out with Stella, which is his dog. So yeah. All right. I just went shopping for some groceries and I picked up Stella, and now we're just gonna go back to my house and hang out and make some food. So yeah. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we're back at my place, making some food. We're having this. We're making some bread right there. And then I'm making that cake that we were talking about. I'm starting it. And yeah, my fridge is finally pretty full. Look at that. What'd you say? It is messy, but full. Look at that, look at that, hey. It's cool actually seeing like a full fridge, I don't know why. And then, my freezer is always full, but like, I never eat anything. So I don't know why I buy so much for the freezer. I just love shopping, I don't know why. And yeah, we're just kind of chilling. Raul's not even done with his homework, so we're definitely not gonna go to the movies tonight. We're probably just gonna chill here and not do anything. So, pretty boring night, but I mean, you know, that's my life, I guess. And I just want to start filming more often. What'd you say? Can you guys tell me how someone can start homework at 11 a.m. in the morning and still be working on it at 7:30 p.m. at night? Yeah, that's crazy. So I started the cake, and I realized that, like, I'm watching, like, a TikTok video of, like, how this girl makes it, and she said you gotta leave it in the fridge for 24 hours, so I put the milk mixture on it. You can see the milk mixture, so it gotta sit inside the cake, so I gotta let it sit inside the fridge overnight, so I guess tomorrow we'll taste test it for you guys. So yeah, good night. It's 10:13. Yeah, we're probably gonna go to bed, so night. See you guys tomorrow. It is the next day. It is 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. All I did today was I worked, and then I just got off work, and I'm here at Planned Parenthood because, bro, I'm not even gonna lie, I've been off my testosterone for like 2 months, like 1 to 2 months, and I'm feeling it now. And I have not felt good, and I need to make an appointment because I can't get refills at my pharmacy. I have to go back and have an appointment. So I made an appointment. Hopefully I get my testosterone back, and hopefully I can get back on track. So that's what I'm doing right now. Back home, just took my testosterone shot. Very happy. I'm glad I finally got to take it. So that's my testosterone drawer right here. And then I went to Walmart to pick up my testosterone, and I had to buy things, you know. I had to. So, you know, I got Uno. I love playing Uno. I'm going to get the whole thing. I did have the whole thing. I did have like a whole collection, and I'm going to remake my collection now. And I also got this. That's why if you guys go to Walmart, you guys gotta get that you guys, am I even speaking English? Probably not. You guys have to get the Walmart app and start scanning shit, because every time I go, I always scan random shit just cuz. And those two, I freaking got 2 of them. So these were on clearance for, let me find it. for $19. I scanned it, came $10 each. So I literally buy one, get one free pretty much, because it's $19 for one, but it came up as $10 each. And I've literally been needing a new ring light. So I'm so happy for that. And it's perfect timing because I actually have like a FTM prosthetic video that I need to make for Imbecile. So now I got a ring light, so I cannot wait. And I got 2 of them, so like maybe I could, I don't know. I just think that's cute. I should have got more. Dead ass, there's like 10 of them. I was gonna get all of them. $10? Dude, I could sell that for more. Like I would even pay like $30 for that. Like I'm excited. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. I'm gonna get the cake made now. Here's my cake, the tres leches, if I said it right. So I'll tell you guys how to make it really quick. I just literally watched a TikTok video. So the cake, I made the cake, what the recipe says on the box. And the milk mixture is, I use oat milk, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. And that's what it is. I cut it, like they said to cut the sides of it. I think I cut too much of the sides, but it is what it is. And then now, all that's left is put whipped cream on it, put strawberries on it, and then put this strawberries, which it's strawberries with sugar, and then you put it in the fridge, and then it like has liquidy strawberry liquids. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna make it really quick. Ugh. God, I suck at talking. Oh, yeah. Now that shit's good. Oh, yummy. Alright, now you put strawberries on it. And then they say you have to put this one, which you can see, the juiciness, and you have to put the juices inside the crevices. That's what it says. But let me take a photo for the thumbnail. Just kind of pour this on. I feel like this is going to be very soggy. Alright, that's it. I'm going to try it. I'm going to take a little bit. I don't want to wait. I'm not going to wait. Because Raul's at work right now. He doesn't get off for another 2 hours. So I'm not going to wait for him. I'm actually just going to dig in. I'm going to take like a bite, okay? And I'll tell you what I think. Like, I'm going to rate it out of 1 out of 10. 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. And then, yeah, so let's just go. All right, you ready? Oh. All right, let's go. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So, I think it tastes good. It might be a little soggy. Because, like, I don't understand how it can't be soggy. I just put cream in it. Like, I put, like, a lot of milk in it. I'll give it a, let me take one more bite. Oh. I think it's supposed to be soggy. That's good. I'll give it a 5 though, okay? No, I'll give it a 6. 6.5. And then I'll have Raul taste test it when he gets here. He's very picky, and this is like one of his favorite recipes or whatever he says. So he's gonna judge me hardcore. I know that. But I don't think it tastes that bad. Okay. But yeah. So I came to Hy-Vee really quick to get some desserts just in case my tres leches, my cake, doesn't taste good. Raul likes his desserts, so I'm gonna get him a dessert. So yeah, there's a lot to choose out of. All right, this is what I got. So, first, I found this. I've never tried it before, but I do like trying new stuff. So, and this says new on it. The Mediterranean-style chicken with sauce. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I don't know. But it sounds good. I don't know. This right here, I have a... Wow, this was bigger. Bigger box. This box right here. This is what we're having tonight. I already have a box at home, but I was at the store, so I got another box because the more the merrier, you feel me? So, yeah. Because, I mean, if we don't eat it all, take some to work tomorrow or something. And then this is what I got. Aw, they all fell over. So this is what I got for him. Just in case my my cake doesn't taste good, because I know he's gonna judge it hardcore. So it's apology cupcake. Like, sorry, I suck at baking. Also, this is cute, isn't it? Look at that. That's really cute. So yeah.
Hey bro, what's poppin'? We're here making a video, you know. Started.
It is started.
Oh. Okay. Oops.
Now you're camera shy.
Yes.
Okay, let me get the cake out.
That's good. What the fuck?
I bought you stuff just in case you don't like it.
Okay.
But that one's mine.
Okay. I
Okay.
bet it has peanut butter, right?
Yeah, but mine has peanut butter. Alright guys, so we got the cake and Raul's going to taste test it for me. Taste test it for me.
You gotta feed me.
Okay, fine. I'll get you like a middle piece. Alright.
That
Oh,
looks
look.
very gooey. Is that a hair?
It's your dog's hair, so
Tasty. You feed me for
Okay.
facing me,
Okay.
not sideways.
Okay. What do you think?
It's good, very moist.
Is it actually good? Like, give me 1 out of 10. 1 being the worst, 10 being
7.
Hey, that's pretty good. I gave myself a 5.
A 5.
Yeah, I
That's
said
pretty
maybe
good.
6.
Maybe a little less leche.
Okay.
That's
That
my
one more
butt.
bite.
Oh.
I'm keeping that in.
Okay.
I'll put something over it. Oh. This is our supper over here.
Very messy.
Alright, so you actually like that?
Yeah.
Hey, okay. I mean, yeah, I just didn't know how much, I don't know. I tried to follow someone else's recipe. And then we got this stuff. I've already showed you guys.
Give me another piece.
Oh, really? Stella got a piece too. So now we're just gonna eat now. We got our food right there. We've literally been eating pasta like the last couple days. Fucking love pasta. So, and I think we're just gonna watch a movie and hang out. So, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.